I'm trapped in my mind, girl.
Hey guys, it's your Daily Dibs here with your first vlog. So I have a lot more vlogs, but I'm just gonna make this my first vlog. Okay, guys, so I'm editing this and I want to explain further what I meant if you guys didn't understand. So what I meant is like I already like had a lot of vlogs, but since it's quarantine I don't really have like vlogs to post. So yeah, that's why I'm gonna be posting vlogs from like last year's Christmas, last year's summer. So yeah, y'all, in quarantine. It's currently Friday. I don't know what date it is actually, but I'll just put it on the gosh, let's put it on the screen somewhere. But right now I'm getting ready to go to the beach. I'm not gonna go in the water since like it's cold still. Yeah. So right now I'm just getting ready to have my overalls, cute overall, and this cute tie shirt. Yeah. Okay, I am all ready. And right now we're just gonna go. We're about to go right now. It's like kind of late. It's like 11, 12. It's like 11, 12. So yeah, we're kind of late, but it's okay. Yeah. Mom. Right now we're at the beach. We've been here. I got to record. But yeah, I suck at vlogging right now.
The finest of social distancing.
And we're totally social distancing. Is this social distancing? We don't know her. We don't know her. Okay, guys. So we got back from the beach like an hour or two ago. So yeah, and I ran really tired, but I have to take a shower. You know, I'm not gonna wash my hair today because I don't feel like it because I'm too tired. And so right now I'm just editing a video, but I'm gonna go take a shower right now. So I'm just gonna take a quick one. You know, I didn't really get sandy, so that's really good. I'm just ashy because like from all the sand and everything. So yeah, and I'm sweating like crazy. So yeah, that's why I just need to take a shower, and I'll get back to you guys when I come back. Oh, and by the way, since like I sucked at recording today, this is gonna be like many videos in one vlog. You know what I mean, fam? So I'll see you guys when I get out this shower. Okay guys, so I just as you see, I just did my facial, you know, washed up out in the shower. I washed my face like with this scrub that I have, and then I just did my skincare and I just put some deodorant on because you know your girl don't want to be stinky. So yeah, I'm just gonna play some Roblox and then I'm gonna go to sleep. So yeah guys, see you in the morning. Good night. Okay guys, so before I end out this video like officially, I just wanted to say that I never actually like put more videos in this one. I felt like I don't have anything to vlog, so yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell when I upload. I'm still figuring out my upload situation, like when I'm gonna upload, so yeah. Love you guys, peace.